Gardening is one hobby that brings you closer to life. To see your plants go through the cycle of life and death gives you the richest perspective of life that nothing else can offer. Hello everyone, welcome to Scape Bangalore, and this will be a short introduction video on my work as a garden YouTuber. This is primarily for all you new joiners who have just discovered this channel. Here, I promise you to give you in-depth perspectives on how to grow plants and also on how to let go of it when needed. This channel believes in embracing diversity, an idea that the plant world teaches us every day with aplomb. This channel will never embark on anything unethical or immoral. With honesty as the hallmark of this channel, there would not be any clickbaits or loud headlines to draw your attention. As a responsible viewer of this channel, you can always flag any discrepancies or wrong information in my videos, and I will take it down immediately after verifying it. However, I will try my best in keeping the information true by conducting proper research and learning from my own experience. I remember that in one of my Bougainvillea episode that crossed 10,000 views, I had given out some wrong information. Nonetheless, I deleted the same for issues of propriety. This channel will also have travel videos that will have an element of green as well. So with this, I would like to thank each and every one of you who have supported, admonished and helped this channel grow in the last 3 years. As I always say, to grow slow is to grow well. So until we meet again, a very warm goodbye.